In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update and get the latest version of ExpressVPN. So by updating your ExpressVPN, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues as well as bugs that are associated with the older version of your app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now I'm here on my ExpressVPN, and I'd like to go ahead and update it or get the latest version of this app. Now to do that, you'll need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store. And here is my Play Store. And then I'll search for ExpressVPN. Now, as you can see, we have an update that is available. This means I've been using an outdated version of ExpressVPN app, which is not secure and which might not function optimally. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of ExpressVPN app and then install it on my smartphone. And now once the installation is done, you can now proceed and start using your ExpressVPN app by tapping on open, and you'll have your up-to-date app. So this is the latest version of ExpressVPN app after updating it. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.